Hey everyone, today we're going to take a detailed look at the Chuwi CoreBook Air 14. This laptop stands out from the outset because it is the lightest and thinnest device Chuwi has ever made. Although there is a 16-inch model available if you want a larger display and a larger battery, I'm trying the 14-inch version here. After reading this review, you should be able to determine which version best suits your needs. The CoreBook Air 14's small weight is among the first things you notice when you take it up. Chuwi hasn't sacrificed performance in spite of its lightweight design. The AMD Ryzen 56600H, which powers it, is an unexpectedly powerful processor for a gadget this small and light. Considering the cost, the build quality is quite remarkable. The CoreBook Air's lid and bottom panel are made of anodized aluminum alloy, and its indigo blue color gives it a high-end appearance and feel that easily competes with more costly laptops. There is very little flex in the chassis, and it doesn't seem flimsy or cheap at all. It feels like great value for the money at its current promotional pricing. Another wonderful surprise is port choices. A USB-C port for data, a 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB 3.2 Gen 1 port are located on the right side. With two fully functional USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C connectors and an HDMI 2.1 port, the left side is even better outfitted. The touchpad is sizable, smooth, and incredibly responsive when it comes to input. Accurate tracking is made possible by its shiny texture, and the tactile clicks have a gratifying amount of motion. With well-spaced keys, good key travel, and little noise, the full-size keyboard is comfortable to type on. The CoreBook Air's display stands out as soon as you turn it on. This 14-inch panel has full HD plus resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio. The brightness increases to about 350 nits. It is more comfortable to use than glossy panels, especially close to windows, because of the well-controlled reflections caused by the matte, non-glossy texture. The AMD Ryzen 56600H's internal components include a 512 gigs NVMe SSD, 16 gigs of RAM, and Radeon 660M graphics. Future-proofing is greatly enhanced by the storage's upgradability and PCIe 4.0 compatibility. The laptop comes pre-installed with Windows 11 Pro, which is a pleasant benefit at this price point, and Wi-Fi 6 support guarantees reliable and quick wireless access. For a laptop this thin and light, the battery life is good. In tests, the 55 watt-hours battery provides about 8 hours of video playback, which is reasonable considering the capability available. The 65-watt USB-C charger makes charging speedy as well. It takes about 50 minutes to reach over 60% and an hour and 20 minutes to fully charge. Another area in which the CoreBook Air surpasses expectations is speaker quality. The stereo speakers have no distortion and are loud, clear, and steady even at higher volumes. For ultra-thin laptop, gaming performance is reasonable. Smooth and tolerable frame rates allow you to enjoy a variety of games at moderate settings. Gaming on CoreBook Air is actually pretty fun for casual sessions when combined with the good audio quality. Additionally, cooling is effectively controlled. So CoreBook Air 14 is a very attractive choice if you're searching for a low-cost laptop that doesn't sacrifice everyday speed, build quality, or design. It feels high-end, has a fantastic display, a long battery life, quick charging, and sufficient power for creative work, productivity, and even light gaming. It becomes a formidable competitor in the thin and light laptop market when you take into account its incredibly lightweight design and affordable price, especially with current discounts. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.